By 1969, the muscle car wars were in full swing. Ford was putting the Super into Cobra jets. Pontiac was ramming air down the throats of their motors. Mopar would multi-carb just about anything. And Chevrolet was shoehorning big blocks into everything. Even lowly AMC was getting in on the action. What the Baldwin Motion Team, Royal Pontiac, the Hearst Corporation, Yenko Chevrolet, Grand Spalding Dodge, and Shelby produced in 1969 would never be repeated. These are the supercars from 1969. Almost 40 years later, from collections on both coasts, Legendary Motor Car has assembled some of the world's rarest muscle cars. Normally these cars are polished and pampered, but not today.